Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Haniifatul Adzra. My student number is 1910732009. In this video, I will explain my understanding on the topic 14, which is the multimodal discourse analysis. So I will focus explaining on some points. The first point is the definition of multimodal discourse analysis. Multimodal discourse analysis considers how text draw on modes of communication such as pictures, film, video, image, and sound in combination with words to make meaning. And then uh, it has examined print genres as well as genres such as web page, film, and television programs. And then the next point is multimodality and genres. Bateman discussed genre in relation to written genres, saying that nowadays text is just one strand and a complex presentational form that seamlessly incorporates visual aspect around, and then sometimes even the text itself. Uh, uh, a genre plays a central role in all of this, and this is able to account for the range of possibilities for how multimodal texts are realized and the ways in which we can interact with them. And then the next point is the multimodality and newspaper. Capel and Knox discuss that newspaper genres from a multimodal perspective and how new technologies are leading to the evolutions in this genre. And then newspaper often draw on the strength of visual image in image nuclear news stories to capture and retain the interest of the readers. And then the next point is the multimodality, multimodality films and television. Multimodality has also been discussed in relation to film and television genres. Uh, One of the experts provides a framework for the analysis of films and television by drawing on work in film theory and genre theory. The levels of analysis he proposed that a frame, shot, scene, and sequence, and then generic stage and work as a whole. And then the next point is how to do multimodal discourse analysis. The step involved in carrying out multimodal discourse analysis are similar to those of any discourse analysis project. And then the data then needs to be logged, and then also the data needs to be summarized in some way with accompanying notes that will help to give a contextual understanding of the data. And then the next uh, point is the the limitations of uh, multimodal discourse analysis. The limitation of multimodal discourse analysis uh, is the can be shown in some stage, like it be quite technical, and also like all discourse analysis, it can be very interpretative. And then further limitation are further limitation multimodal discourse analysis is tied up in the aims and scope of multimodal discourse analysis, while the multimodal analysis pay attention to uh, feature of communication that are often left out of other approaches to discourse analysis. Uh, there is sometimes less attention given to the aspect of language that approaches to discourse analysis that might consider it. So I think that's all my explanation. Sorry for all of my mistakes. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.